In a remarkable turn of events, Saudi Arabia bore the brunt of an extreme weather event on Thursday morning, November 2. Dammam, a prominent city in the region, found itself at the epicenter of the meteorological fury, as heavy rainfall and hail showers wreaked havoc on the city and its surroundings. The National Center of Meteorology's forecast suggests that this turbulent weather may persist over the upcoming days, signaling the potential for further disruptions. The hallmark of this weather phenomenon was the unexpected hail showers, known for their remarkable size and velocity. These hailstones caused widespread damage, with reports pouring in of shattered windows in vehicles and damaged glass facades in stores, testifying to the severity of the situation. The meteorological forecast for the day, as issued by local authorities, warned of the impending onslaught. It indicated the likelihood of moderate to heavy thunderstorms, which could bring torrential rains and strong winds to various regions across the nation. These regions encompass the Eastern Province, Jazan, Asir, Al-Baha, Mecca, Medina, and Riyadh, all of which will brace them for the worst. In response to this tumultuous turn of events, the General Directorate of Civil Defense stepped up to issue an urgent public advisory, urging residents to exercise the utmost caution and strictly follow the guidelines provided by the relevant authorities. Their advice included seeking shelter indoors in secure locations, far away from flood passages, water swamps, and valleys. As the nation grapples with the aftermath of the unexpected weather, local authorities and residents alike are remaining vigilant. The collective focus is now on preparedness as Saudi Arabia gears up to face continued rainfall and the looming possibility of more storms in the days ahead.